कितें डिस्कशन कितें
ना एक पार्टीचे आमचे आतां इलेक्शन जे लागीं पावलां ताचे बद्दल पॉलिटिकल जे कितें स्ट्रेटेजीज आसा आनी जे पार्टीचे ऑर्गनायझेशनाचे मॅटर्स आसा ताचे बद्दल डिस्कशन आसलें.
सो आनी कांय डिस्कस करूं ना पार्टी लिडरशीप
सगळे वेगवेगळे विशय डिस्कस केल्या जे कन्सर्निंग द पार्टी आनी द स्टेट आनी ताजेर जे कितें ताका सांगपाचें आहा तें आमी उलयल्या.
Election-
talk regarding ki you are upset with the Congress. What do you like to say?
I am 22 years in Congress. I have been upset many times, but if I am upset also, that is between me and my party. And I have never said that I am upset or something. That is all speculations. The party is, this is our party. It's like a family. If there is anything, we bring it to the notice of the party leadership. There is no question of being angry or upset or anything. The focus is to defeat BJP right now, and we are all focused and concentrating on how to defeat BJP.
बावीस वर्सां तो पार्टी वांगडा तो पार्टी वांगडा तुवें रावन आतां कितें तिकीट मेळटलें तुमकां और कितें फुडें भवितव्य कशें कितें
कसली तिकेट मागूच ना तिकेट म्हणून.
अशें कितें तुमचें प्लॅन
ना 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 आय एम वर्किंग फॉर द सी हांव तुका परत रिपीट करता अवर प्रायमरी फोकस रायट नाव इज टू ब्रिंग बीजेपी डावन. कित्याक बीजेपी गोंयान कंटिन्यू जावप म्हणल्यार इट इज नॉट अबाउट काँग्रेस पार्टी, इट इज अबाउट द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. आज गोंयची कशी वाट होलसेल बीजेपीन लायल्या ती सगळ्या लोकांक खबर आसा आनी ती जर प्रिव्हेंट करतलो जाल्यार बीजेपीक सत्ते वयल्यान सकयल काडपाची गरज आसा. सो सगळ्यांचो फोकस आनी सगळ्यांची प्रायोरिटी बीजेपीक कशी देवप आनी लोकांक एक लोकांचे प्रो पिपल प्रो पब्लीक एस्पिरेशन फुलफील करतले अशें सरकार कशें दितलें हाजेर फोकस करपाचें.
सिरियसली इतलें उलयता जाल्यार की आमी सांगयो प्रोग्राम्स
म्हाका दिसता तुवें सारकें पळोवंक ना
ना, ना, ना.
कशें जालें.
पळय
कित्याक
ना.
हांव प्रत्येक मिटिंगेक आसा पार्टीन जेन्ना मिटिंग्स कॉल केल्यान म्हाका जेन्ना इंटिमेशन आसा आय हॅव बीन देर. इवन रेव्होल्युशन डे प्रोग्राम जो म्हापसा जालो आय वॉज देर. यू शुड सी चेक प्रॉपर्ली.
इंडक्शन सेरेमनी नासलें.
I was traveling that time and I have already I had informed the leadership over there.
कितें रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तुमकां कितें रिगार्डिंग इलेक्शन आसतलें ऑर आनी कितें
ते with party सांगता
Are you
I am
ready to work under the leadership of Girish Lankar?
see, I will be very clear again to this question. The question is to defeat BJP. We are all congressmen. We are committed to defeat BJP. We are committed to bring a new Congress government in the state so that the problems that the people of Goa are facing, like the massive land conversion, the uncontrolled corruption, unemployment, and so many issues. You name the issue, and that issue this BJP government has converted.
That's right, but I my specific.
No, I will give you a specific answer. So the question is the leadership, this leadership, that leadership. Party has a hierarchy. Party has a system. Party, whenever the party takes a decision, the party cadre have to accept it or reject it, and whatever they have to inform the leadership, they can do it. And there are platforms available. There are various means available, and whatever we have to say, whatever had to be said, we have already done.
The party leadership, whatever they tell you, will accept it.
तुका सांगला बरें अरे बाबा इफ आय ना आय एम टेलिंग पळय इफ विथ दीस क्वेश्चन इफ आय हॅड टू नॉट एक्सेप्ट इट आय वूड हॅव नॉट बीन इन द काँग्रेस पार्टी.